And here's the quick set. Coco Wang na harangan na there.
It was too low for her height.
Hindi, pag-usapan natin yung basketball, hindi po nalalaman ng karamihan, yung father po ni Michelle Gumabaw used to play professional basketball
Yes,
also
for a
in the
year.
PBA. For a year.
Ginebra.
1983 for Ginebra. Oo. 1983 yun. Gilbis pa pala. Oo. Schoolmate ni Barry Pascua yung si Dennis Roldan.
Di pa ata ako pinanganak noon.
Talagang hindi ka mo pinapanganak. Nasa eskwelahan lang sila. Eto, 13-7. 1992 po pinanganak si Michelle Gumabaw. Ano ginagawa mo noong 1992, Barry? Here's Bernadette Pons off the block. Nagpi-PBA ka na nun. Oh, eto ngayon si Remy Palma, turned back there by Coco Wang, kept alive by Bernadette Pons. One free ball that is going to go wild coming here from Simborio. So magulong sequence yun para sa kuponan ng FEU as Charlamagne Simborio sends it long.
Sayang ang coverage ng teammates niya.
Right. Oh, nice serve by Mercado. Pati si Paneng medyo kinabahan na, tatama sa net, umabot.
And point pa.
Oo. Service ace para dito kay Stephanie Paneng Mercado. 15-7. So far, so good for Meralco. Micasas, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Talagang kamote sa reception. Nagpalit po ng open spiker.